What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. Happy Sunday. Gonna go over Matic as well as Ethereum. We're sitting at 78 cents. We're down about 1% on the day. Seeing market cap of 7.51 billion. 24-hour volume 183 million. So a couple scenarios for Matic. If we break this low, then we could be going through a WXY correction if Bitcoin were to come deeper here. However, if we can hold without breaking this low, then the correction can already be complete, and you'd look at a wave 1, that's a wave 2 pullback. It's pretty deep, and then push up in a wave 3, and right here, let me drop it in, would be your bullish confirmation. Bullish, wow, come on now. Bullish confirmation. And basically what you'd look at if that scenario played out, that's your wave 1 up, wave 2, 3, 4, 5, continuation back to the upside. If Bitcoin were to see a straight breakout, but if we continue to pull back for BTC, I would imagine you're going to come just a little bit deeper in the wave 2 before seeing continuation, which is perfectly okay. Could give you another entry opportunity. As you can see here, we have a left shoulder, we have our head. This could count as a right shoulder, but even if we come deeper, we can still be looking at a right shoulder before continuation back to the upside. We are back underneath the daily EMAs, currently retesting that massive strong support where we're just consolidating at the moment. So once we get that bounce, we get back above the daily EMAs, we're good to go for continuation back to the upside. Ethereum, I do think we could see a little bit more pullback before a breakout, but we can push up from here. We've done everything we need to. We didn't quite hit the 50% retracement if this is a wave 1 to the upside. So what we may be doing here is going through a wave down, a wave B pullback, a wave C, in a 3-wave move, and in the wave 2 before continuation back to the upside could offer a nice entry opportunity in that pullback zone here for ETH. If we were to come all the way down and break the 78.6, which is at 2258, that would give a higher likelihood of a deeper drop. I don't think that's the more likely scenario. If that were to play out, see how we have the wave 1 to the upside. So this could all be part of the correction. If we were to come down and lose that low, and we come a little bit deeper in the wave 2, potentially to 2216, and basically what you would see is a retest of this massive ascending triangle before continuation back to the upside. I don't know if that's a more probable scenario. That would be a pretty deep pullback. I think it's more likely that wave 2 here in yellow is already complete, and we're pushing up in a 1-2. But the key level to watch for this smaller wave count, for the minuscule wave count, is a 78.6 at 2258. If it were to break, then you could look at potentially a deeper pullback. But until then, I think there is a pretty decent chance we either bounce from here and see a straight breakout, or we see a little bit more pullback, bounce from this target zone and push up in our wave 3. That's what I'm looking at for Matic and Ethereum. I wouldn't be surprised to see one more lower low, potentially to the golden ratio. But if we do start to just push up here and we break this bullish level of 82 cents, then you can see a straight breakout in an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just watch these 4-hour EMAs, see if we get rejected. If we roll over, we lose that low, it's perfectly okay. We come a little bit deeper in the correction before seeing continuation to the upside could offer a nice entry opportunity. If you want access to my trade signals, we're in 3 Gala trades, 1 ADA trade, 1 XRP trade, 1 VeChain trade. It's $10 a month. You can sign up to the Patreon link at the top of the comments. Make sure to sign up to Bitfinex. There's no KYC, no VPN all around the world, including for my US and Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange. Grab those bonuses. You can check out my full length tutorial. It's pinned at the end of the video. And $10 a month for my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups. We're in multiple crypto trades right now. Crypto news, member profits, Forex signals, Forex analysis, trade crypto, trade Forex, all in one place for $10 a month. You spend $10 every single day. All links down below. Check out Bitfinex full length tutorial. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.